Teaching visually impaired students can present unique challenges, but with the right approach, it's possible to create a supportive and engaging learning environment. In this video, we're going to explore the concept of determinant of a 2x2 matrix. For teaching the determinant of 2x2 matrix, we can use tactile materials to represent the elements of the matrix and the formula for calculating the determinant. Let's start by creating a physical representation of a 2x2 matrix using a tactile grid. Here we have two rows, 1 and 2, two columns, 1 and 2. Each magnet represents an element of the matrix. The magnet letters A, B, C, and D represent the four elements of the matrix. Now let's use these magnets to calculate the determinant. The formula for the determinant of a 2x2 matrix is determinant equals A times D minus B times C. By looking at the matrix or the grid, we have A times D minus B times C. That is, to calculate the determinant, we'll need to multiply the elements of the matrix and subtract the products. Consider the matrix 2, 3, 4, and 1. Again, 2, 3, 4, 1, where A is 2, B is 3, C is 4, and D is 1. Let's start by multiplying A and D. That's A and D. When we multiply A and D, we get A times D equals 2 times 1 equals 2. Now, let's multiply B and C. B and C. When we multiply B and C, we get B times C equals 3 times 4 equals 12. Finally, we'll subtract the product of B and C and the product of A and D. Again, A times D minus B times C. So, the determinant is A times D, which is equal to 2, minus B times C, which is equal to 12. 2 minus 12 equals negative 10. So, the determinant of this 2x2 matrix is negative 10. By using tactile materials, teachers can help visually impaired students understand complex mathematical concepts like the determinant of 2x2 matrix. The physical representation of the matrix and the formula can be felt and manipulated, allowing the students to engage with the concept in a meaningful way. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you and see you next time.